How to enable or disable allow website tinting in Safari in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps and then scroll down and click on Safari. Now scroll down, in tabs section you can see the option allow website tinting. If you want to disable your allow website tinting, then simply turn this button off, and if you want to enable your allow website tinting, then simply turn this button on. So this is the way to enable or disable allow website tinting in Safari in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.